Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.